Hey guys, how's it going? Alrighty, so. There we go. $1,700. This thing only went up like to 1,700 or 1,400. No, wait, no. Oh yeah, no. Yeah. I bought this thing years ago, so, and they're still at Princess Auto. Right. So that in. Okay. Almost there. Yeah. It's this right here. Oh, shit. Oh, well. go. All right. Just hit that little bump. Oh, almost out of propane in this one. There we go. There we go. All right. Flip it around again. Yep. There we go. There we go. That's got a good tip. There. All right, I gotta work quickly on this one. Okay. Yep. There we go. All right. Flip up that shoulder. Sorry. Flip this shoulder a little bit, make that straight. Whole sword's gonna be straight. flatten it out. Shit. Okay. Hey man, you know what? That is sick. This is starting to look like a fucking... There. That's probably as good as I'm gonna get it. There. Go. I think it's time. What time is it? I think it's time for the quench. Yeah. Nope, wait, can't quench it. Shit. Forgot something. Can't for. Yep. There. Good. Hope we can drill through that. I'm sure I should be able to. I think I thinned it enough that I can. If not, just glue it and put for the wood handle with epoxy, then just hockey tape it. Yeah. There. I can just grind that out, honestly, make that flatter. It's not going to be that big of an issue. Yeah. This blade's coming along like... There. Yeah. Yeah, it's still not... I still can't quench it. Because I still got to put a handle on it. So... That's the thing there. But I got the blade not quite as straight, but not quite. Still a little bit of a kick to it, but like right around the edge of the blade there. But honestly, it could be worse. Yeah. This is gonna look pretty fucking sweet when it's done. And yeah, so give me a like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that. Yeah. Oh no, it is a pain in the ass to fucking, like, sometimes it's just easier to drill a hole, something that's a little bit there instead of making it too thin and have the handle snap. That's the step. Okay. Yeah. Still a little bit thick enough that it can withstand it. That should be fine. Then got 2 brass pins. Yeah. That's really it. Yeah. And like I I said, if it's too hard to drill, $5 on hockey tape. Like, yeah. Still, the fact that this looks so sick. Maybe if I... There we go. Yeah, sorry about that. But I'm just wondering here. One thing that pretty much mastered this steel, drawing this steel a little bit. I don't know, I just seem to be able to make really good works of art with this one. There. And again, I got it from Princess Auto, but it's getting kind of hard to find, but oh well, whatever. Angle steel would also work, but I don't know how to... this probably would work with this, design, but I'm not going to... I don't got enough of it there yet. I just want to build another axe with that. That is going to be part of my halberd, actually. So I'm thinking with like a longer axe, because it's going to be a pole axe. So I think the blade wood should be longer. So that's what I'm doing with this. Yep. I think that would be fantastic to use. Because it worked great for my, other axe there. So that was fantastic, which I'm giving to my brother-in-law. See if he likes it or not. He might not, he may. I don't know. But yeah, this is going to be part of my halberd. I had a comment there, my other axe there, say I should make an Italian halberd. I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to assume I was close with the axe design, so I'm going to use that. And I'm not sure, but I'm going to, actually, the thing I'm going to do is fold this thing in half lengthways, and so it'll just like make a thinner cutting axe. Right, because that's kind of what a halberd is. It can bash, but yeah. It was like blunt / stab, then hook. Sometimes they have sometimes they got hammers. Depends on the nationality or whatever, but yeah. I don't know. Maybe I might make a hammer out of the, buy another piece of either that steel. Well, that. There, or because they're around the same price, I think they were close or around the same price. I think it was like one was $10 cheaper, and that was really the difference. So, and also I can't wait to make something out of those. I am running out of time there because I gotta go pick up my yeah, because my wife and kids will be coming back home pretty soon. So I'm not going to have time with that at all. Like, absolute none. So, again, And also, I gotta clean. There's a whole bunch of rust on it, so I gotta figure out. Yeah, because that's a lot of grinding if I gotta do that. So it's like fuck. So I might find a way to just get CLR or something and just break a bunch of blows into little tiny blades and stack them. That'd be the only way I could think of be able to utilize that. Still takes a lot of time. Still takes a lot of money and patience. So it might be August by the time I start something like this. Who knows? So, yeah. But, again, this is going to be a bit of a longer video. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I did a little bit of work there today. Not too bad. All right, peace.